So I bought the Blaux portable AC for my daughter's room because she doesn't like she doesn't really like air conditioners. She don't like the noise because she's constantly filming YouTube videos and playing games. And she says that she doesn't like the noise of a regular air conditioner. She doesn't really like the air uh, flow of a regular air conditioner. I mean, but her room is absolutely hot and she needs something in there. But I've tried fans and everything else, and she complains about the noise. She unplugs the things. So I ended up buying the Blow air conditioner, portable AC, whatever you want to call this thing. Um, it looks small. This is what it. This is how it came in the mail. My only complaint so far, without even opening the box, is it took at least 21 days from the day that I placed the order to get here, which is kind of a long time, and I had no clue when I was coming. Their tracking absolutely sucks. I bought this thing off their website, and I don't know, it took forever. So, I mean, if you're willing to wait for this thing at least 3 weeks, then try to buy it. But right now we're gonna unbox this thing and see what is actually going on in this package. Again, I bought this directly from their website. I think you can get it on Amazon. I'm not sure. But, all right, so this thing looks very, very tiny, which is pretty cool. I mean, you're supposed to be able to bring it with you wherever you are. All right, so they gave me this. I guess it's a 10% discount on my next purchase, which I don't even know if I like this thing yet. Comes in a bag. There's the AC. Comes with a USB cable. And this thing, which is probably to fill it with the water. The instructions. I'm just going to take a quick look at these instructions. It did not come with the adapter or the plug piece to this. So that's one thing that you need to know right off the bat. The instructions are in English. That's what I wanted to basically look at. It says fan button, click the fan button to turn the fan on and off, blah blah blah. Press and hold the fan button to start and stop the negative ion where function button. Click the function button to turn the fan gust mode on and off. Blow the 10-second for 5 seconds. When the air is blown, indicator function. When the air is blown continuously, the blue light is always on in the gust mode. The blue light is blinking when the negative ion is working. It lights up in green when charging. The red light is always on and fully charged. The red light is off. Green light flashes when power is low. Charging and working time. This unit is fully charged for about 3 hours. Working time. The machine is fully charged and the first working time is about 8 hours, and second working time is about 4.5 hours, and the third working time is about 2.5 hours. Then it goes into how you add the water. I think it's you add the water in here. It says, notice the bottle with the capacity of 150 milliliters. Just fill the water tank. Do not add more water to overflow the water. When adding water, please lay the product flat. Please do not lean to make water overflows when you add water. Do not invert or tilt after adding water. So there was a clip right here that I pulled out, and I guess that's where the water goes. And they give you this thing to put water in it. Is this thing gonna work? I have no idea. Add ice operation. Pull the water tank out of the bottom of the product and add the appropriate ice cubes to the tank. Then return the water tank through the tank guide groove. The wind blown after the product works is cooler. Okay. Pretty simple instructions. I mean, I just read most of them to you. What I do want to do after reading that is try to take this bottom piece off. See how easy it is to do. Yeah, I have no idea how to do this. I'm going to have to look at this instruction guide again. Alright, so what I did was there's a groove right here. This is the front of it where the fan is. That's the back of it where the filter is. What I just did was I used this to pull it off. It is working at the moment, and I didn't do anything to it. I didn't charge it yet. But I kind of want to fully charge this thing before I use it, because I mean, the first time you use something, you kind of want to fully charge, make sure that it's fully charged, because you don't want to ruin the battery on these products. And I'm trying to put this thing back in now. Alright, so it goes in pretty easily. And that's what it looks like. So I'm going to set up an experiment now using a room temperature gauge that I have on a clock. I'm going to charge it and we'll see what happens. I mean, if it works or not, see what happens. Alright, the AC is fully charged and I set it up where the clock on the ground is going to tell the room temperature, and we're going to run it for about an hour and see if it drops the temperature at all. So this is how you turn it on. You have to hold the button. When that green light is on, that means the ionizer is working. So the fan just turned on. And I'm going to put it on high. So you hit the button 3 times, it goes on high. I guess the air comes out this way. It feels pretty cool. All I did was put cold water in it. I didn't put any ice cubes. So it says that it's 45 degrees and it's 4:45 now. So we'll come back in an hour and check on it and see what happens. The humidity is at 48%. We'll see if that rises or if it lowers. Alright, so the room temperature has not changed, and it's been running for over an hour, and the ion setting is on. I don't feel a change, and I don't see a change visually. The humidity went up a notch and the temperature went up a degree, and it's 5:49. So what I'm gonna try is I'm gonna put the Blaux portable AC right on the next to the clock and see what happens. You can feel it if you're sitting about this far away from it. So it'd probably be a nice to put it on your desk, but it's more like a cooling fan. It's not like an air conditioner. I mean, I don't think that it's worth the $99 so far. I did look up the product on Amazon, and it was a lot cheaper. It was around 45. Some of them were 41, but they're around that price. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this and I'm going to put it about that far apart and see what happens. And then I'll come back in an hour. So right now it's 5:51. I'll be back to check on it at 6:51. Alright, so my second test with the AC right on the clock shows that the humidity went up drastically. The degree only went down 1. So this thing is more like a cooling fan. It just went down another. But this is more like a cooling fan. This is not an air conditioner. Don't be fooled by these other YouTubers telling you that this thing cools the whole room down. This does not cool the whole room down. If you want to put this on your desk, if you want to put it where you're sitting, That's one thing. But to say that this is an air conditioner, it's not. You can see that the room temperatures are not changing. The humidity went sky high. It's probably because of the water that's involved with making the room cooler. I don't know if I would recommend paying the $99 for this item. I mean, like I said, you can buy it off of YouTube for around $40, $45, and I don't know if I would even buy this thing again if I knew what I knew now. Thank you. Please subscribe. Visit my website, thepursuitforhappiness.com, and have a great day.